Hey, this video is to show Mr. Travis, what's happening with the jacks that I bought from Greg Smith. Travis, this is O'Neill, and I'm going to show you what's been my headache with these two jacks. This jack on the right is the one that I originally bought back a few months ago. This one on the left is the replacement jack that leaks. Back to this one. This is the one that does not want to go up efficiently. This is the one that the pedal, the pump leaks as you pump it. We're going to start with this one first. This is the original one, the one on the right. So I'm going to start pumping it. Now you can see that it goes up, down, up, down, up, down. You want to bring that camera close to this tape mark that I put on this jack. You can see that when I jack it, it goes up. When I release the pedal, it goes back down. Pump, goes up, back down. Can you see that in the video clearly? Okay. Up, and then when I release, down, up, down, up, down. So it really takes a long time for this jack to get up there, if it does get up there. So you can see that mark there, like it goes back down. My argument in this is that it's probably the steel balls and springs. There's 3 sets in these jacks. I don't know which one is bad, or maybe multiple ones. My argument for that is the fact that when you release, it goes down, because when you release, you sort of create a vacuum, and that pulls fluid back in the pump, so this way it pumps it back out into the ram. So when you release, it's sort of, maybe there's a steel ball that's like letting go, a spring that's letting go, and that holding the pressure. So now I'm going to show you the difference between the two jacks. This is again the replacement jack. This is my original one. This one goes up, but it leaks at the pump. So this one has a head start, as you can see, but this one will go, will get ahead of this one. So here we go. So you can see, this one, even with the head start, only made it this far because it just keeps going up, down, up, down, up, down. This one reached maximum height. I can't go no more. So this one goes up wonderfully. But the problem is here, I guess at this point I'm going to take over the video so I can show you. The problem with this one here that went all the way up, which works wonderfully as it goes up. Problem is the fact that it leaks. Let me get a good angle here. Let me get a light. So there's a puddle of fluid here already. You can see that puddle right there. Let's see. So you can see right there, I'm trying to get a camera angle that's best, so you can probably see it right there. And you can see that spring, like the shiny part soaked. And it's coming from the piston itself that goes into the bore. So right there, and the more I use it, obviously the more it pisses fluid out. So now the strange thing is that I change the piston from this one to this one. Again, this is my replacement jack. It goes up wonderfully, but it leaks at the pump here. I changed the piston inside. I put the piston from this one, I swapped them pretty much, and this one still leaks. This one doesn't, even though it's an, you know, it's probably a messed up seal, but it's not. It's on this one, it's probably the bore that's machined incorrectly or scuffed up somehow from the, you know, from the factory. So is a new seal going to fix it? I don't know, but I don't think so, because obviously I swapped pistons, so I swapped seals by simply swapping pistons, and this one still leaks. So which leads me to believe that it's a bore that's machined incorrectly, too big or scuffed up. All right, so I guess this concludes my video. Hopefully I'll be able to get some resolution to this issue. You know, I had bought these jacks back in a couple months ago to be ready for the springtime, so I can remove a transmission on this car here, on top here. But that's it's you know, it's a lowest cost here with these jacks here. So hopefully you guys will be able to help me out. Thank you.